Hello ma'am, are there any must-read editorials in the newspaper today?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials from the examination perspective. They are in the Hindu newspaper, and they are both very important. So let's look at it. So the first editorial is the case for a board of peace and sustainable security. Now this editorial talks about UNSC, UN Security Council. There have been questions which are very frequently asked in the UPSC examination from UNSC reforms, and it is very, very important. Even last year also in mains there was a question from UNSC reforms. This article is written by Nirupama Rao, she is a former Foreign Secretary of India, and this article talks about how we need a new institution that can sustain peace beyond war. She has talked about few important solutions, how not actually preventing wars and promoting peace right now, but is dealing with the conflicts after the war has actually happened. So this is all this editorial is about. Then the second editorial is about Trump drops a bomb on US nuclear weapons testing. Now United Nations, Donald Trump has announced that US would be resuming nuclear weapons testing. Now this is a very big news. Why? Because US has always been a country which has promoted non-proliferation treaty, and this article is very, very relevant because this will promote instability in the whole world, and it will create a domino effect. If US starts testing the nuclear weapons, then China will start testing it, then India will start testing, and so will Pakistan be doing it. So this will create an instability, and this is also a very important article when it comes to international relations as well as defense perspective. So both these articles are very important. And if you want to read about these articles in great detail, you can visit our DNA video on our channel. So there they will cover every aspect of these articles. So you can watch the video. Thanks for watching.